Factoring general trinomials. Our objective is to factor a general trinomial. So take this given, x squared plus 7x plus 12. So to factor this, just write a 2 parentheses. Then we'll just go to the first term. Find its factor. X squared is x times x. Then proceed to the last term, the third term, which is 12. Think of a factor of this 12 wherein they will also give the sum of 7. And in this case, that is 3 and 4. Okay, 3 times 4 is positive 12. 3 plus 4 is positive 7. That's actually the shortcut. But you have to consider in finding the whole middle term by adding the product of the inner term and the outer term as a part of the FOIL method. Okay, let's check. This is 4x plus 3x. This will give us positive 7x. Okay, for given number 2, so the factor of x squared is x times x. Proceed to the third term. The factors of 12 are negative 3 and negative 4. Why we choose as negative? Because our middle term is also negative. When we add negative 3 and negative 4, it gives us negative 7. Given number 3, x squared plus x minus 12. So the factors are, go to the first term factor, that's x squared. For the last term, negative 12, it is negative 3 and positive 4. Remember, this is negative, so expectedly, the factors are in different signs. So if we're going to add them, negative 3x and positive 4x, this will give us positive 1x. Okay, so number 4, so factor the first term, x times x. Factor the last term, positive 3 and negative 4. Why? Because when we add positive 3 and negative 4, this will give us negative 1. Okay. So for given number 5, what if x squared has a numerical coefficient other than 1? In numbers 1 to 4, the numerical coefficients here are 1. What if it is other than 1? Okay. So still, start with the first term, factor it to x squared is 2x and x. Factors of 3 are 1 times 3. Then, so let us get the middle term by adding the product of the inner term and the outer term. So the outer term, 2x times 3 is 6x. The middle term or the inner term is 1x. So 6x plus 1x, it gives us positive 7x. So our factors are 2x plus 1 times quantity x plus 3. For number 6, so start with the first term, 2x squared, it's 2x and x. Factors of 3, 1 times 3. Okay, but our middle term here, if we're going to compare to number 5, from 7x, we change it into 5x. Okay, so what we did here is we just interchange the last terms of each binomial. Why? Let's try if it will jibe to our middle term. So 3 times x is 3x, 2x times 1 is 2x. Let's add 2x plus 3x, it gives us positive 5x. Therefore, these are the factors. For number 7, so the factors of the x squared are 2x and x. The factors of negative 3, so it's a different operation. So it's negative 1 and positive 3. Why did we choose this? Why not positive 1 or negative 3? So let us try this first, if it will jive to our middle term. So the outer term, when we multiply, it gives 6x. The middle term is negative 1x. When we add 6x plus negative 1x, this will give us positive 5x. Okay, lastly, so the factors of 2x squared, 2x and x, the factors of negative 3 still, it's either negative 1, 3 or 3, negative 1. Okay, so what will happen if we're going to interchange them? Let's see if this one jibes with our middle term. So 1 times x is 1x, 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 6x plus positive 1x, this will give us negative 5x. Therefore, these are the factors. If you want to make sure that they are the correct factors, multiply them by using FOIL method and you will go back to the given.